Hello and welcome back. So, we are going to prepare for Finance Olympiad, and I would be covering the entire syllabus of Finance Olympiad. So, topic by topic, we are going to cover the entire syllabus. So, the first topic is types of financial markets. Now, I will be sharing the entire PPT of types of financial market, and yes, I've prepared bullet points so that it is easy for you to learn and to understand. So, my pattern of educating you all is by providing PPTs so that at the time of examination or for preparing for the competition, it is beneficial. You can easily understand and learn after while seeing the PPT. So, the first topic is types of financial market. Now, what are the types of financial market? We have the money market, we have the capital market, we have the foreign exchange market, and we have the derivative market. Money market. Now, what is money market? Money market deals with short term funds which are less than for 1 year. Now, whenever a question is asked, what is money market? Money market basically deals with short term funds which are less than for 1 year. It provides liquidity to businesses and governments. An example would be treasury bills, commercial papers, certificates of deposit. Now the next one is capital market. Now what is capital market? It deals with long term financing needs. Now capital market basically deals with long term financing needs. It includes primary and secondary market. Now both of them it includes primary market B and secondary market B. Example would be of capital market would be shares, bonds and debentures. Foreign exchange market. Now, what is foreign exchange market? Foreign exchange market facilitates buying and selling of currencies. It supports international trade and investment. Example would be INR to USD exchange. Derivatives market. Now, what is derivatives market? Derivative market deals with whatever the currency is derived from underlying, deals with contracts which are derived from underlying assets. Okay, used for hedging and risk management. Now, what is hedging? Hedging is basically protection against risk. That is known as hedging, used for hedging and risk management. Examples of derivative market would be futures, options and swaps. Now summary, what is money market? Money market शॉर्ट टर्म फंड्स में डील करता है, कैपिटल मार्केट लॉन्ग टर्म फंड्स में डील करता है एंड फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट करेंसी की ट्रेडिंग में हेल्प करता है और डेरिवेटिव मार्केट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट में हेल्प करता है. So, this is the first topic. I have given you the gist. We can talk about all of them in detail in my next class, in the coming class. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.